So let's talk about the elephant in the room. This channel is going through some changes ever since a certain wizard company on a non-specific coast decided to modify their gaming license. Now, they may change their minds, they may not. Look, that's neither here nor there. In the end, they are going to do whatever they think is best for their business, and ultimately, it was really more of a wake-up call for this channel than anything. Just as I am building a community of some pretty awesome people, I have the rug pulled out from under, but they are not going to stop me that easily, no sir. So I'm here to tell you that while these videos might not always be specifically about Dungeons and Dragons, I am still determined to make sure that I continue to create videos to help you game masters, dungeon masters, and storytellers. So welcome to the new channel, The Fantasy Forge, and I look forward to continuing this quest alongside you as we venture into non-copyright infringed lands. Thank you guys for continuing to watch and support this channel. Forge on, my friends, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.